Hello, my name is Joe. I'm a small business owner of an online stores. I give SendPro Online a 5-star rating, and for more reviews, please click below. Prior to SendPro Online, I was using both eBay, PayPal, shipping. eBay and PayPal both stopped using what the shipping software they were using and went to a new one. They went to Ship Online, and it was a disaster. I was on the phone with them almost every day. They never could get it right. They were having all kinds of problems. I wound up even talking to their vice president of development almost daily on trying to help them fix their website. They obviously did not take into consideration the user. They were mainly focused on what the post office wanted. So I started exploring other options and looked at a whole bunch of them and found SendPro Online appeared to look very much like what I was used to and what I had used in the past. Tried them, and I'm extremely happy with what my results have been. SendPro Online has given me some tools that I never had before. And I'm going to give you a few examples of what they are. I operate 3 different online stores. How do I categorize the shipping costs of all 3? SendPro Online let me set up 3 different accounts within my master account. So at the end of the month, with a few clicks, I get a total of all the postage and the number of shipments I made from each account. That has vastly reduced my time involved that I used to have to do to tally up how many packages I shipped from each account. The other thing I discovered, and it was more by accident than anything else, was when I enter a name and the street address, all of a sudden the city and zip code, and sometimes several cities and zip code popped up that I could just click on it and it would fill the rest of the address out. I didn't have to put the address in as much. Then, on top of that, after I put someone's address in and I had another shipment to them a month later, when I entered the name, their full address showed up on the shipping label. So I had even less work to do. So it really increased my productivity in getting my packages out every day. So that's those 2 things would have made me happy. But it's just the overall system of I throw money in the account on a whenever I run out, and it's just one click and it adds another amount, whatever I specify, to the account until my credit limit. So I have that even easier. So it wound up being for me a productivity increase in getting my packages out the same day. SendPro Online was extremely easy to get started. I had only one problem, and that was I started using too much postage and had to call them to work with them to increase my credit limit because they start you out rather low. That took a whole 2-3 minutes to get that resolved. Other than that, the system is extremely friendly, which the previous system that I was trying to use was not friendly. They have, in my opinion, they have set this up so that the user, namely me, has a very easy time of putting together address labels and printing them one after another. There's a bulk system that I still am not using because mine are too diversified and I get them during the day. And as I get the shipping, to ship a package, I do it all day long whenever a sale comes in. But other than that, it was extremely easy. I ran into a few glitches where I had questions on what to do next. Just dialed their 800 number. Someone came on, walked me right through it. And it was just unbelievable how easy it is to use this system. If you're looking for a shipping solution, one thing that I have not used yet on Central Online that is available because I don't have larger packages is you can set it up not only for postage, but for UPS and FedEx. So if you're looking for a complete solution, Central Online can give you that complete solution. I highly recommend it. even if, I mean, I ship 10 to 20 packages a day, mainly a couple of ounces. If I have something that's got to go express mail or priority mail, it's all there. The only drawback that I've had so far with it is when you input your data, like how much a package weighs and the size, not every time does SendPro Online give you your selections of how you want to ship, like the first class, priority, express, media mail, etc. It doesn't give it to you in the exact same listing format. So sometimes you have to look down the list and click on the right button. If that's the only drawback on a system like this, it's not really a drawback. It just, I just have to be careful that I don't click priority mail instead of first class mail, for example, because it's not in the exact same format. I'm going to send a note back to SendPro Online one of these days about that, and I'm willing to bet they fix it. But other than that, I highly recommend it. I think you'll find that it's very easy to use. Like I say, 10 to 20 packages a day, no problem. End of the month, summary of everything in just a total, or I can print out a complete manifest of everything I shipped with the names, addresses, etc. So if you're looking for a shipping solution, the only drawback is they charge $4.99 a month to use their system, and a lot of other systems are free. That $4.99 is well worth it. So if you're looking for a solution, try them.